Good morning. Let's map the word stop. What is the word? That's right, stop. The word is stop. I'm going to start here and tap four boxes as I say the sound in the word stop. S, t, ah. Say the sound with me and tap your boxes on your own grid. S, t, ah. In this box, I'm going to write the letter that spells the sound in stop. S. What am I going to spell? That's right. S. What letter spell S? Correct. S. What letter did I write in the first box? That is correct. S. What sound does the letter spell? Great job. Now, in the box on the first line of your mapping grid, I want you to write the letter that spells the sound S. In this box, I'm going to write the letter that spells the next sound in stop. T. What sound am I going to spell? T. What letter spells T? T. T says T. What letter did I spell? What letter did I write in the second box? That's right, the letter T. What sound does the letter T spell? It spells T. In the second box on your first line of your mapping grid, I want you to write the letter T. Okay, let's move on to our third box. The third sound in the word stop is ah. In this box, I'm going to write the letter that spells the third sound in stop. Ah. What sound am I going to spell? Ah. What letter spells ah? Oh. Ah. What letter did I write in the third box? That's right, the letter O. What sound does the letter O spell? It spells ah. In the third box on your mapping grid, I want you to write the letter ah. In this box, I'm going to write the letter that spells the final sound in stop. What sound am I going to spell? What letter spells P? What letter did I write in the last box? That's right, the letter P. What sound does the letter P spell? It spells P. In the final box on your mapping grid, I want you to write the letter P. Great job. Now, right below, I want you to write on your mapping grid, we're going to write the word out together. And we're going to write the whole word for the word stop. Now you do it. Great job.